So, end of Halloween wall 2023. I had a great time, and I think the result from the wall was awesome. First of all, I've got to say a massive thank you to Copy for organising the wall, bringing everyone together, marching up the wall 2 days before everyone turned up, and generally dealing with all of that stuff. So yeah, that was really good of him to do that. I look forward to some more walls in the future. So I've been invited into a crew with some of the guys that painted that day. Even though I didn't really get time to talk to them much, but yeah, I want to head in production based walls in that direction, and this new crew is about that. So yeah, you'll see more about that in the future in my videos. So yeah, it's great to paint with everyone, even though I didn't really talk to them much. If you want to catch the finished result of the walls, then go to the description of this video and I'll link everyone's Instagram accounts, because I didn't actually stay right to the end when it was all finished. So yeah, head over to their Instagrams and check it out, give them a like, follow, all that stuff. So yeah, I think that is it. I don't think I've missed anything, so give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great. Drop a comment, tell me what you thought about this wall, and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.